Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm talking about this KitchenAid mixer. And if you've got one of these, you just absolutely love it. I know I love this thing, and it's great, and I have really no complaints except for one, and that it's just not slow enough. If I'm mixing something like a cake batter, and I use this a lot for fudge, and I pour the hot fudge in here, and I like using this scraper beater right here to keep the sides clean so the fudge doesn't crystallize on the sides of the pan here. But if I turn this on at even its slowest setting, you can see we got this stuff sloshing all over the place. This is just not gonna work. So I'm gonna show you how I solved this problem to keep from having this mess. But I found this online, and it's a speed control for hardware tools, actually for drills and routers and whatnot like this. So it's really easy to use. What you do is you plug this thing in to where you normally would plug in your mixer. And then you plug the mixer into the outlet on here. So this literally just goes between the wall outlet and the mixer. So what you do, you turn the speed of the mixer all the way up, but you make sure you have this turned down, otherwise this is going to take off like crazy. And after this is all the way up, you just turn your speed control up, and you can just vary it in to go as slow or as fast as you want. And now we're not going to fling things around when we're mixing it in this mixer. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. I'll put a link in the description where I found this thing. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll catch you later.